Hello, you awesome people. This is Ramesh, and you are watching Tech Prowess. And I'm going to share a secret with you today in this video. So make sure that you watch the video till the end. And now let's get started with the video. So have you ever wondered that which are all the software programming languages those are being used by the top companies like Google, Facebook, Twitter, Microsoft, Apple, LinkedIn? Yes, that's the secret that I'm going to share with you in today's video. So let me take you straight to my computer screen and let's take a look at which programming languages are used by these top companies. So the very first thing that I'll do is I'll take you to github.com, and if you are a beginner and don't know about github.com, then don't worry. Github.com is a place where it allows you to store your code project repository, and worldwide around 50 million plus developers are using github.com to store their GitHub repositories out there. And this is the place from where we are going to find it out which are all the languages being used by the top companies. So let's start with Twitter first. That would be a good option. So let's find it out Twitter, what languages it is using. So here we are at the place of Twitter, and this is the section of our interest, and here we can see that the top languages being used by Twitter are Python, no surprise, C, JavaScript, Java, and Scala. So let me just put it into a notepad. So here it is. Then next company, let's look for LinkedIn, what LinkedIn is using. So all the open source projects of LinkedIn are hosted over here, and again in this top languages section we can see that it is using Java, Python, JavaScript, Scala, and Objective-C. Oh my god, Objective-C it is using. Okay, then next one is the interesting one. You would have guessed it right because you have seen the notepad. So next one is Facebook. So Facebook is using C++, JavaScript, Python, Java, and Ruby. That is interesting. So we have seen the Facebook. Next one is Microsoft. I spelled it wrong. It is Microsoft, and it is using C#, TypeScript, Python, JavaScript, and C++. So one thing you would have noted that the four companies we have seen so far, the most common one are JavaScript and Python. So these two languages are winning the race. And which is the next company? Next company is Apple. Yes, Apple is using Swift. Of course, it's their own language. Then it's Python, C++, C, and HTML. So we have put it over here, and the last one is Google. Google, my favorite. So it is using Python, C++, Go. Go is Google's language. Yes, Java and JavaScript. So yes, we have seen which are all the top languages being used by all these companies. So Python is the one that is winning the race out of all the six companies. It is being used by all the six companies, and next one is JavaScript. Yes, so Python and JavaScript are the one those are being commonly used by the tech giant, these tech companies: Google, Apple, Microsoft, Facebook, LinkedIn, and Twitter. So if you are a beginner, now you know that which are the software programming languages that you need to learn if you want to get a job in these companies. So this was a secret, like how you can find this information, although you cannot say it as a secret because this is kind of an open information, but this is one way how you can find it, which company is using which programming languages. So I hope you would have find this video as an interesting one, and you would have gained some useful information out of it. If you like the video, make sure that you give the thumbs up, and if you don't like, do give the thumbs down as well. It would be great if you could share your feedback in the comment section, and if you are new to this channel, make sure that you hit that subscribe button right out there and be a part of this channel. And I'll see you in the next video. That is also going to be an interesting one, and see you out there in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Happy programming.